To buy Dogwifhat on Coinbase Wallet, you need to have a basic understanding of cryptocurrency and the Coinbase platform. Start by creating a Coinbase account if you don't already have one, and download the Coinbase Wallet app. Open the app and log into your account. Then navigate to the browser section and search for the Dogwifhat website. Click on the Buy Now button and select the cryptocurrency you want to use for the purchase, such as Ethereum or Bitcoin. You will be redirected to a page where you can enter the amount of Dogwifhat you want to buy, and the app will calculate the equivalent amount of cryptocurrency you need to pay. Review the transaction details carefully and confirm the purchase. After the purchase is complete, the Dogwifhat will be stored in your Coinbase wallet. Make sure to keep your wallet and account information safe and secure to avoid any potential losses. It is also important to do your own research and understand the risks involved in buying cryptocurrency. The value of cryptocurrency can be volatile and may fluctuate rapidly, so it is essential to only invest what you can afford to lose. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with the transaction, such as gas fees or network fees, and factor them into your purchase decision. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can buy Dogwifhat on Coinbase Wallet and start exploring the world of cryptocurrency.